Okay, so you want to play Valorant, but you are stuck in the main screen, in the loading screen. Well, I have the solution for you. It's very simple. The first thing you have to do is to close Valorant, then right click in the direct access, properties, then you have to go to compatibility, and you have to press the buttons to run this program as an administrator, then save it. Now, the next solution is to go to your browser. You have to search for your graphic card. In my case, it is RX 5600, and then you have to find the drivers. So once you did it, you have to go to the website and download the latest driver for the Windows you have, or the Linux or the Mac OS you have. And finally, the last step is to press Windows key and R, and you have to write this. As you can see, local app data with these icons, accept, and then you have to find Valorant, and you have to delete this folder. And now you will be able to play Valorant without any stuck in loading screen. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you in the next easy way video. Goodbye.